Morning beauty that connects everything and flows through all things. I'm inspired by these beautiful mornings. I connect with them to get closer through observing, through painting, and I start seeing deeper into what they are. Just listen. I feel this urge that I have to express my appreciation for this magical spirit. Vast treasure trove of gorgeous moments. All these precious tiny little moments. It's crucial that you do whatever it takes to keep these moments coming, to make every morning more meaningful. These mesmerizing colors and incredible beauty heals your heart. I feel fortunate to see and witness these magical moments every single day. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye.